How to create a demo account on Binance. So here's how it works. First, you will create a regular account on Binance. Then you want to hover over futures and USDT and futures. You want to select that option. Once you click on it, then here you will see this graph and more. Hover over more, and at the very bottom you will see demo trading. Once you select that option, it is going to take you to the demo trading page. Here Binance provides you with a demo trading environment to experience spot or contract trading. Here you will agree to the terms, so you want to click on start demo trading. Once you click on that option, like I said, Binance is gonna load up this graph, and here you can just experiment and basically get experience if you don't have enough experience. And once you are ready to go back to the live trading section, you will click on go back to live, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.